Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the best electric bikes that combine convenience, performance, and eco-friendliness. Whether you're commuting, exploring trails, or just cruising around town, these e-bikes offer power, versatility, and style. We'll review the top models, their standout features, and why each one is perfect for different riding needs. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to ride into the future of cycling, let's get started. Number 5. Miri-DR 1 Folding Electric Bike. Are you seeking the perfect combination of practicality, power, and portability? The Miri-DR 1 Folding Electric Bike might just be the ultimate solution. Designed for urban commuters and leisure riders, this sleek e-bike merges cutting-edge technology with convenience, making every ride effortless and enjoyable. Exceptional design and build. Crafted with lightweight magnesium alloy, the Miri-DR 1 is built for durability without the extra bulk. Its 16-inch wheels with aero rims and Schwalbe green compound tires promise excellent grip and performance. Plus, the bike's modern color options, from vibrant acid green to bold ember orange, ensure you'll stand out in style. Smooth, responsive power. This latest Miri-DR model boasts an upgraded 250W rear motor, delivering 25% more torque. Whether tackling steep hills or breezing through city streets, the thumb throttle and pedal assist make it seamless. The advanced sine wave controller ensures a smooth and powerful ride every time. Number 4. Specialized Turbo Vado 4.0 Step through Electric Bike. If you're ready to experience high-performance, long-range e-biking at its finest, the Specialized Turbo Vado 4.0 Step through is your perfect ride. Designed for commuters, adventurers, and anyone who wants to make their daily transport faster and more comfortable, the Vado offers power, reliability, and cutting-edge technology all in one sleek package. Unmatched power and smoothness. At the heart of the Vado is the Turbo Full Power 2.0 motor. This powerhouse amplifies your pedaling efforts by 4x, giving you the boost you need to conquer hills and cruise through any terrain with ease. Whether you're navigating city streets or heading to your favorite trail, the motor delivers smooth, quiet, and natural-feeling acceleration. The 710 battery ensures you can go the distance, offering up to 90 miles on a single charge in eco mode. Comfort that moves you. Riding the Vado feels like gliding. With an 80mm front suspension fork, plus suspension seat post, and higher volume tires. Number 3. Ribble Hybrid ALE Step Through Electric Bike. Looking for a versatile e-bike that blends comfort, power, and adventure-ready features? The Ribble Hybrid ALE Step-Through is a sleek, easy-to-ride electric bike that's built for everyday journeys. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or seeking new routes to explore. With its lightweight design, powerful assistance, and practical accessories, it's the perfect companion for anyone who wants to elevate their daily ride. Powerful, seamless assistance. At the heart of the Ribble Hybrid AL is a MAHLE X35 Plus motor, a compact powerhouse that delivers 40 Nm of torque for smooth, natural pedal assistance. Integrated into the rear hub, it ensures a seamless ride, almost indistinguishable from a regular bike. With 3 levels of assistance and a peak power of 250W, you'll conquer hills, headwinds, and long rides with ease, giving you the extra push when you need it most. Impressive range and smart connectivity. Powered by a 250WH Panasonic battery, the Hybrid AL offers up to 60 miles of riding across mixed terrain, plenty for day trips or long commutes. And for those who want even more range, there's the optional range extender that boosts the battery to 456WH. The IWOC Trio control button on the handlebar. Number 2. Specialized Turbo Levo SL Electric Mountain Bike. If you're ready to elevate your mountain biking game, the Specialized Turbo Levo SL is the bike you've been waiting for. A lightweight powerhouse designed for thrill seekers, this EMTB blends the legendary Stumpjumper handling with an extra boost that'll transform your trail experience. Whether you're craving longer rides, more trails, or simply faster fun, the Turbo Levo SL delivers just enough power to amplify your ride without taking over. Effortless power and speed. What makes the Turbo Levo SL stand out is its SL 1.1 motor. It doubles your pedaling power with up to 240 watts of quiet, responsive assistance, creating a seamless ride that feels natural and in sync with your cadence. It's not about heavy power. It's about an intuitive boost that makes steep climbs and technical descents easier. The result? You'll be riding more trails and going further with ease. And when you're not using the motor, you'll barely notice it. It's smooth and silent, delivering a truly organic feel to your ride. Lightweight and durable design. This isn't just any MTB. Number 1. WAU Bike Electric Bike. If you're looking for a striking and feature-rich e-bike that makes a statement, the WAU bike certainly fits the bill. With its unique blend of modern aesthetics and useful tech features, this bike is an urban rider's dream. Though it has a few quirks that may need fine-tuning. Powerful performance. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video.